What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is February 2nd, 8 p.m. right now, and it's not a wrenching video, guys. I just opened the garage real quick to kind of feed the cats and my cats over there, and just want to make a little video for you guys real quick. I did miss an upload on Monday, but I didn't have any content to put out for you guys, so I just kind of skipped that day. But I want to give you guys a little update of everything that's been going on right now. The last video I think we did was the wire tuck on the CRX. Now I did finish the other side. I just ran out of electrical tape to completely loom it up, but I got the driver's side all tucked. Everything is in their home location, and I haven't really worked on the car in the last couple of days, but I just want to show you guys some of the things I have going on for hopefully the next update to this car. Now I did go to the storage. I picked up the SI spindles and I scrubbed them up really good, painted them black, and they're ready to go, except I just realized now that this spindle has the hub studs completely stripped out. 1 2 3 4. I'm not even sure how a wheel was on there when we picked it up, but it's gonna need new studs, and to do this correctly I'm gonna have to push the hub out, the bearing, replace the studs, put it all back together. But the other one's good. It is all painted gloss black. I painted the calipers, I scrubbed them up really good and painted that graphite gray, kind of like how the KRX is. I cleaned up the steering rack, painted that black, painted the silver. We're going to be changing the inner rods, the outer rods, the boots, and all of that. We're not using old HF spindles because they're 23 spline versus 26 spline. The B series axles fit in this perfect, so we're going to be using this on the car. I scrubbed up the sway bar right here. Gonna scuff it up a little bit more to get the overspray of white off from when we painted the engine bay. Further updates, I've mentioned to you guys that we are waiting for a ton of packages to show up, and they're almost all here. I think we're waiting on one more package, but we got a huge box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and all of this is in relations to the front suspension of the car, which is what we're going to be taking care of the next update to the car. I cleaned up the subframe a little bit, but I feel like I need to clean it a little bit more, so I haven't gotten that painted, and it's just chilling right here, guys. Again, not a wrenching video. Just kind of want to talk about a little something real quick before I get off of YouTube a little bit. Like I mentioned just a little while ago, have not been in the garage, have not been recording, have not been wrenching, haven't done anything other than go to the Honda Acura meet, which was very well needed for me. You guys probably noticed the CRX doesn't have its film on it anymore because I wanted the car to look okay, showing up, hanging out with a bunch of people that I haven't seen in a while. And I didn't really record anything because I didn't bring the camera, but it's probably the first outing I've gone to in a long time during this pandemic, and it was very much needed for me. One main reason why I haven't been in the garage is because my dad had gone to the ER maybe about a week ago, and obviously during this pandemic and stuff like that, it's my dad, he was he was worried, so he took the ambulance to the ER, and he's been there for about a week, going through tests and stuff like that, and everything seems fine because he still called my mom, and kind of still talk to my mom every day, and I would occasionally pop up on the FaceTime with them, and everything seemed fine. So just praying for my dad to come home and things like that. But unfortunately, my dad passed away yesterday. It's hard for me to express my emotions on and off camera, but I just want to make this video to kind of update you guys on the car, which is not the important thing in my life right now, but I just want to give you guys an update of it since I did miss Monday's upload. But I'm really reaching out to you guys in this video because during this time, the pandemic, the COVID, and you know, the passing of my dad, I'm reaching out to you guys to ask for your help with the funeral expenses. We got some quotes and stuff this morning from multiple different places, and during this COVID pandemic, the cost of everything has gone up a lot, and we can only cover so much. My family and I, we started a GoFundMe to help raise fund to help with, you know, the funeral costs of my dad. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking, is there any way you guys can help me with whatever it is that I do here on the channel? And I don't really ask much from you guys other than just viewing the videos and just leaving a thumbs up. But during this time, my family is willing to accept any help we can get. So if you guys could, there's a link in the description below. You guys can share it. $1, 50 cents, anything will help, and we truly appreciate it. So I don't want to carry this on too long, guys. It's still hitting me right now that my dad is no longer with us. You guys may see the title. I'm probably gonna be taking some time off from YouTube, from recording. I know one thing with me, and you know, just getting my mind straight, I wrench alone in the quiet, and I might be working on the car just in between the days, and I don't know where we'll pick up with you guys, whether we did a lot of progress or not, but I'm gonna take some time off from recording. So again, guys, there is a link in the description below if you guys want to help in any way. We truly appreciate it. So with that being said, guys, I hope y'all understand. We will definitely pick back up with this car real soon, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.